Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Side Hustle Enterprise. I am your host, John Maz, here today with my favorite Doge Moo. This is Monday Moves, where we go over everything happening in the market over the weekend and over the past week and what to expect for this upcoming week. Got some interesting things to talk about with you guys today. Got some cool stuff to share with you. As always, we're going to go over Dogecoin. We're going to go over some other movers in the company. In the stock market, I'm also going to share my portfolio with you. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Appreciate all the new followers. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate it. If you're just finding me for the first time, I would appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, show the channel some love. I'm here to share my opinions and my journey with you guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial expert. I'm just a guy and his dog sharing his opinion with you. That notification bell is always there for you guys. If you want to hit that notification bell, hit that like button. Make sure that you stay up to date with my videos. I make 3 videos a week. We got Monday Moves every Monday with my dog Moo. We got Market Watch Wednesday, which is live, and you can always join in on the conversation. And then we have Friday's recap. So go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. All right, so let's take a look real quick, guys, before I dive into the market watch and take a look what's going on today. I'd like to introduce you guys to my new merch store. This is sidehustleenterprise.com. We've got some interesting merch going on, some stuff revolving around my NFTs. If you watched my last video on Friday, I launched a couple NFTs focusing around Dogecoin and pinup girls. So check those out. There's always merch here revolving around those NFTs. You see some of the shirts. You got some masks, some cups. Interesting stuff. If you decide to purchase one of my NFTs, 2 of them come with discount codes and free merch codes. So if you purchase those, you get a large discount, if not huge amounts of free merch with those NFTs. So definitely go and check those out. I'll put a link in the description down below. That being said, let's go ahead and change gears here. First thing I want to talk about, and I think is very interesting, it's kind of a 2-part thing here, is going to be Volkswagen, or VW. Interesting news going on here about Volkswagen. If you haven't heard, Volkswagen is predicted to outpace Tesla by next year's end with their battery electric vehicles. The Euro price prediction for Volkswagen is going from 185 all the way up to 270 euros. So that's a huge jump in the game. We'll have to see how they do. I like Volkswagens. They're not bad vehicles. They're safe family vehicles. I would definitely invest in one for myself. I'm definitely a Tesla lover, but Volkswagens could be a nice alternative. That being said, with the prediction of one side of the story being Volkswagen making this huge push to outpace Tesla, we have ARK investor, ETF manager Kathy Woods over there expects Tesla to hit $3,000 within the next 4 to 5 years. So she's super bullish on Tesla. I am a Tesla believer. I hold it in not my Robinhood account, but I do hold it in other accounts for long-term investing. I have traded it in the past, whether it be option calls and so on. So I'm a Tesla bull as well, but she's a super Tesla bull. Predicting $3,000 per share for Tesla. That's huge, huge, huge. So it'll be interesting to see her take on it. If you'd like to read more about the article, again, everything that I covered today will be in the link in the description down below. So definitely check those out. As always, do your own research, do your own digging, and make sure that you're never investing more than you're willing to lose, right? All right, so we have both Tesla and ARK are up today. Tesla's up 5.5% so far since market opened, and ARK is up about 2% to 3% so far. I don't know if that's just because of the news that Kathy put out. ARK has done super well this year. If you haven't invested in ARK, it's a great ETF to kind of hold on to. again, I'm using Robinhood here just because it's super easy, but I am trying to transition away from it just to let you guys know. So here's ARK investing. We're up a little bit today. I think we're up, yeah, to 2.11% as of 12 p.m. Eastern time on a Monday morning. So we got some interesting stuff going on here. You know, with her news break, I don't know. It could just be the fact that she's super bullish. You know, I like ARK. She's done us very well job maintaining and taking care of her investments with that ETF. It's definitely something that I personally would hold and say a retirement fund for myself, along with Tesla. So that's a good option for you as well. Definitely check out ARK. It is ARKK, I believe, is the ticker symbol. If you want to dive into that one, check that out. Again, do your research. So they're up again today. We also have an interesting little snippet from Matt Damon. I'm not going to pull up the article just because it is super long. We have Matt Damon talking about our call to action, really, for these heavy hitters, as he quotes it, for people to invest in water. We have around 2.2 million people without water, without potable water, lack of safe drinking water, what it comes down to. So he's you know, a call to action. He's been talking to reports from Vulcan. I'm going to butcher this guy's name. I apologize. I'm looking at my notes here. Baskin. He's the UN General Assembly president, and he reports that 2.2 million people worldwide right now. I'm sure there's far more than that aren't being counted, that don't have resources to water. So Matt Damon, being an actor, being an activist, has put out his opinion and has put out a call to action for all these heavy hitters to invest in water and clean water and help better water systems for these people. So I thought that was interesting. Again, I'll put that link in the description down below for you guys to check out. What else we got going on here? AMC. Some AMC's in the news. I don't know if you guys have, if you're holding AMC like I am. I'm holding it on multiple accounts, whether it be on my Robinhood account, whether it be on Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, a little bit in Cash App, a little bit on Webull. So I'm holding right around, I think, 1,200 to 1,300 shares of AMC, and it is down a little bit today. We're down about 12.2% as of the recording of this video. Yeah, it doesn't make a difference to me. I think that's, it's still got a long way to go. I'm hoping to hit 25, 30 bucks a share for AMC. May 4th, May the 4th be with you, right? We have AMC announcing that they're doing a annual meeting. This annual meeting for AMC is for them to push or vote on getting more shares out to, or Class A common shares out to the public, right? So they're talking about increasing their total shareholdings from, I think we're talking about introducing another 500 million shares into the market. So that'd bring their total up to 1,024,173,073 shares in total is what we're talking about here. Can you stay out of the trash, please? Stay out of the trash, please. Thank you. She's over here eating the trash. So it's down a little bit today. I don't know if that's because of the news or it's just the hedge fund people trying to cut their losses, whatever it may be, for the people that shorted AMC. Again, I'm a long time holder. I believe that once we see AMC pull out of the pandemic, they did just announce that they have reopened 98% of all of their theaters across the U.S. So that's huge news. Tons of people have been posting pictures about going to AMC with their families and so on. So that's really cool. I can't wait to take my kids to the movies theaters again. I'm looking forward to it. I really think that AMC's got some major gains in its future. I'm super bullish on AMC. Love to see it take off. You can see here, I bought in. My average cost is around 10.90. Sitting pretty right now at 12.25, 12.24. So I'm up a little bit overall for AMC. My count is down in terms of all of my holdings. You can see here something I don't recommend doing. Let's change gears here and talk about crypto a little bit, because I know that's what you guys are all here for, is the crypto news. Dogecoin, right? Everybody loves Dogecoin. I got my Doge here with me today. Sitting nice and pretty, stables. I think we're seeing some stable numbers between 0.055 and 0.61 over the weekend. So I'm still bullish on Dogecoin. I've always been bullish on Dogecoin. It'd be really cool to see Robinhood finally implement their wallets into their accounts. Don't see it happening anytime soon. I'll be shocked just as much as you guys are once they finally do it. But my hope is to at least get out of my holdings here on Robinhood. I do have more holdings on actual wallets. As you guys know, I'm also a miner, so I'm constantly mining with my script miners, converting everything that I mine to Dogecoin, and those all go to my crypto.com wallet primarily, along with the ledger. So I split it up a little bit so I don't, risk losing everything. If something goes down, I still have a little bit left over. So if you guys want to get into it, you want to buy some Doge, stay away from Robinhood. There's a link in my description down below for crypto.com. It is a great place right now to buy Dogecoin. Super low fees, super easy to set up and get going. So definitely check that out if you want to get into Doge. We had some interesting news with Dogecoin. Let's bring up their market cap and take a look. Yes, just trying to shake my hand over here. Can you say hi? Good puppy. So Dogecoin right now sitting at number 17 on the coin market cap list. You see our price right there is at 5.7, 5.6, so doing good. Overall, total trading volume for the past 24 hours has gone down a little bit, but it is still early in the day. It is Monday. We have a lot of people that are, typically trade crypto on the weekends, pull the money out and trade on the stock market or traditional funds throughout the week. So that's to be expected to see it down that much on a Monday. Not super crazy or anything like that. Total market cap sitting at 7 billion, and overall I think Doge is doing pretty well. It's really strong in my opinion. Nice consolidation wave. We have been seeing. Let me pull up a little screenshot I got for you guys here. Of course, I lose everything once I try to create it, and save time and help myself out here. It's always the case. You can never be too prepared. There we go. Okay, so we have a nice little chart here. I did steal from somebody else. I stole it from CoinLine. So check their page out. Check their channel out. They always give some great information, and they're straight to the point when it comes to crypto and Doge. So looking at this chart here for Dogecoin, what we're seeing is a triangle pattern breakout. A nice little bounce off the resistance lines, and hopefully if we can see it past that 6.3 line, it'll continue to go forward. And that's what we want to see. We want to see higher highs, low, and don't hit those low lows. We want to see it bounce off those resistant points, not passing the low point, and keep pushing past the highest highs. So in my opinion, I think we're going to see some big gains come along with Dogecoin here in the future. I like Dogecoin. I can't stress it enough. Like I said, we got some NFTs rocking right now when it comes to Dogecoin. If you want to check those out, I'll give you guys a quick little screenshot of a couple of them. So I got 4 collections going on here for my Much Wow pinup collection for Doge NFTs. Obviously, these aren't rotating. These are just still images, but they are GIFs as NFTs. So we got a couple here just floating around. Nothing crazy. Check them out. I'll put the links in the description down below for all my NFTs if you'd like to dive into them. other news with Dogecoin that I found very interesting is Dogecoin getting on Coinbase. Now, we've talked about this in the past, and we've been trying to push. I know lots of people have been pushing, including Elon Musk, getting Doge on Coinbase. Now, this is kind of a response from Coinbase saying, hey, look, we're all about it, but we need to get these protocols in place for it. And the protocols that they're talking about is maintaining a Rosetta API implementation for every asset that they list, right? So this integration of this API system that they want just helps better track the system. It makes it easier because you got to remember Coinbase is this huge company that is soon to go public, right? And what they do is they have other POS systems or point of sale systems that they're pushing out to the public. So if they have a coin that is in their holdings list and it doesn't have this asset or a Rosetta API implementation, it's going to be very hard for people to use POS systems through Coinbase with Dogecoin. So by Dogecoin developers updating the system, putting this Rosetta API implementation in effect, that will allow Coinbase to list Dogecoin on their exchange, along with allowing POS systems that are out there to receive the update. And now we're accepting Dogecoins at local retailers that are using the Coinbase POS systems. So I thought that was an interesting take on it. Again, I'll link all this stuff down below if you guys want to read it yourself. I think that's Coinbase saying, hey, look, we want to accept Dogecoin. I think, it's not that they're not accepting it. They just want to see some things taken care of first, which is, of course, a respectable response. I think that once we see them as a publicly traded company, that they will go ahead and implement Dogecoin once they have set up this Rosetta API implementation. So that's huge news for Doge. Right now, Doge, like I said, is just under 6 cents. For me, I'm going to try to get as much Doge as I possibly can before it hits 6.2. Once it hits 6.2, 6.3, that's kind of my stopping point. I'm going to continue to mine it, of course, but buying any more of it past that point, I want to get my dollar cost average as low as I possibly can. By buying above 6.3, I'm no longer dollar cost averaging down. I'll be dollar cost averaging up, and that's not something I want to do. I want to get my holdings as low as possible. So I'm going to continue to buy up until that point of 0.62 cents, 0.623 cents. I still think Doge is a strong buy. I'm very bullish on Doge. So I'd like to know what your guys' opinion on everything we've talked about today. Again, all the links for everything I've talked to are in the description down below. We have some referral links if you want to get into investing and it's something that you think you may be interested in. You may have a strong knack for it. You can always check out Webull. You get 2 free stocks by signing up with my referral link down below. There's also crypto.com, referral link down below if you want to get your hands on some Doge and you don't want to wait for Coinbase to implement it. They're selling Doge on crypto.com. Stay away from buying crypto on Robinhood right now. Again, I'm personally trying to limit the amount of trades I do on Robinhood because I'm trying to transition away from them. But, what is your take on it? Are you a Robinhood investor? Is it something that you want to stay with? Let me know. Join the conversation. Slide over to Discord. Remember, every Wednesday I go live. I invite you guys to, message me if you want to go live with me and talk one-on-one. I'm here to answer questions for you and take a look at the market again on Wednesday, halfway through the week. So until then, guys, enjoy the videos, enjoy the content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, show the channel some love, show Mooves some love here. If you're not a Doge lover, you are crazy. We're all about Moo. We're all about dogs. We're all about Doge in this house. So, share some love. Show the channel some love. Hit that subscribe button. I will really appreciate it. Check out the NFTs. Check out the merch store. And until next time, guys, stay lucky. Have a good one.